The man accused of killing the brother of a Rhode Island Supreme Court justice has pleaded guilty to the crime. And we've been tracking this case now for more than a year, and we were in court this afternoon as Matthew Marcotte entered his plea and learned his punishment, at times laughing and using swear words when he addressed the judge. Eyewitness News reporter Jared Pliner is live from the Providence Mobile Newsroom with reaction.
Mike Shannon, good evening. That's right. William McKenna was one of 7 siblings, one of whom is a sitting justice on the state's highest court. As part of a plea deal, a judge sentenced 23-year-old Matthew Marcotte of Rehoboth to life in prison for the second-degree murder of William McKenna. He was the brother of Rhode Island Supreme Court Justice Maureen McKenna Goldberg. Marcotte killed the 53-year-old McKenna after encountering him in a convenience store on Pawtucket's Benefit Street in February of last year. Prosecutors say another man, Rolando Brooks, punched McKenna outside the store.
While Mr. McKenna was on the ground, this defendant took out a knife and stabbed Mr. McKenna in the neck, transecting Mr. McKenna's carotid artery.
Though not visible from our vantage point, Marcotte laughed as family members spoke about the deceased and asked for the maximum punishment. They said McKenna, who had a sizable criminal record, which included domestic, sexual assault, and kidnapping charges, battled addiction.
Bill was not without his demons, but with the grace of God was able to overcome his troubles and return to the loving, caring, and thoughtful son, brother, and father he once was.
A relative also read a letter from McKenna's son, Brian, one of 3 sons.
My father did not deserve what happened to him. He did not deserve to die that way. He was making things right, and the defendant took that opportunity away.
The 2011 domestic violence case against William McKenna was dismissed. Now, Justice Maureen McKenna Goldberg was not in the courtroom today, but we did check with the Rhode Island Supreme Court to see if she had any comment on the outcome. She did not. Now, coming up new at 6, what Marcotte said about the victim and to the victim's family members before being led away. Live at the Providence Mobile Newsroom tonight, I'm Jared Pliner, Eyewitness News.